Hey there, in this video we will see how to install Chrome in Linux, Ubuntu. So first go to any browser and search download Google Chrome, and you will see a search result in the first in the top, and go into that and then download Chrome and then download 64-bit.deb. This is the extension .deb, and download it and save the file in the disk, and then just wait. And as soon as your file download is completed, then go to the file and right click on it and open with another other application and select software package, software install, and then just select it, and you will see a screen there, and in the screen you will see a install button, and let it just come, yeah, and click on the install button and enter your admin password and authenticate it, and your application will be installed. So that's so easy, and hope you like this video, and if you like this video, like it, and if you have any issues then comment down. Thank you for watching. That's it.